Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. Today is 26th December, New York session. Welcome back to the stream. We got high impact news, unemployment claims, and employment claims number are lower, which means that we are in a position. And just ignore the numbers. Right now, if you just switch to Indian right now, first of all, how are you? How was your Christmas? You enjoying? I hope you do. Let's just head back to trading. Since the news came in right now, if you're somebody who was impatient and couldn't trade the entire damn week and just want to immediately jump into the sell, you might have to, hold on a second, take a step back, relax, because what I'm about to tell you is gonna help you make lots of money. Not I'm not gonna give any signal, but I'm gonna give you enough information that you're gonna make profit not just today but also tomorrow and even the weeks coming ahead. So before I give that information, I need you to like the video, like the stream, so I can proceed forward. Because today's stream is gonna be a long stream, and you're gonna have lots of fun. You're gonna make lots of money, and it's gonna be an educational stream too. First of all, Fibonacci. How can we forget Fibonacci, right? Now, those of you who are following me know what I've been doing. This was my last stream. I think this was on Tuesday, and now we are back. I am at the end of the stream gonna tell you how much profit I made, not just the last time I streamed, but even today. And it was a rough. In short, it was a rough beginning, but during like the start of Tokyo and London session, it was quite considerably the best session that I had. I can say the best closing of the year. Let's just move forward. What you gonna do today? Today we are gonna basically look for scalps. Right now, New York session open, right? There's the New York. And we have 1 hour 30 minutes, almost like an hour till the New York Stock Exchange opens. So right now, if you are somebody who's a breakout trader, first of all, breakout doesn't exist. It only happens as Disney movies. Just joking, man. Yeah, really, if breakout happens, that it's a rare thing. But the best possible thing you can do right now is wait. If a breakout happens, good. If it doesn't happen, enter a buy. I'm planning to enter a buy scalp over here. Okay. This is a hint. I'm not gonna give any signals. From now onward, my stream will be educational. Just education. So let's just wait for a pullback. Wait for a 5 minute candle to enter a buy. By the way, how is everybody? So I'm gonna be what do you say? When the stock market opens up, I'm also gonna be updating regarding MicroStrategy. So keep an eye on that too. So it looks like a breakout, but we have to wait that if this is an actual breakout or is a fake out. I'm on a buy actually. I'm on a buy from here. 2610, 2615. Plus my buys are still running from this 20 2588 because I'm swing trading and scalp trading at the same time. Possibly waiting for a rejection, which we will get shortly. The best advice I can give to anybody is not to panic right now, not to FOMO. Even this gold is dropping down, we'll have plenty of opportunities. As I say, always that if we're gonna choose one side, if we buy only, if we sell only. I'm today only looking on a look for buy, even if it's dropping down. This is how it works. You have to keep your mind focused. And I have seen that if I just buy, you pick up a side and stick with it, I make more profit. I don't know if you can buy and sell both, but at least I'm gonna follow what works for me. I'm gonna enter a buy now. Keep in your mind if you're copying my trade, manage your own risk. I don't know what lot size you have or where your stop loss is. So be careful. Wait for the pullback. 5 minutes gonna tell you. Wait for a 5 minute bullish engulfing. I have entered, but you should wait for 5 minute bullish engulfing candle. Then enter a buy on the pullback. Looks like the bullish engulfing is forming up. Even if you have a pullback candle, that's enough for us. By the way, guys, like the stream and subscribe the channel if you're new. I'm eating, so yeah, don't mind. Don't rush. Just take it easy, okay? Nothing's gonna happen. It's gonna be, sideways range. So take it easy, brother. No heavy shit. Just take it easy, take it smooth. We made some nice profits actually with the swing trades. Those were long trades that we made around last week. Now we are just waiting. Even right now, the volume is really less in the Wall Street. Because of that, you can possibly see gold in. And by the way, the bullish momentum on gold came after recent escalation between Yemen and Israel, and the involvement of America, and even how America accidentally shot down their own aircraft fighter plane. And with all that stuff happening in New Jersey and New York and all around the world, even the plane crash, the Russian plane crash, there have been rumors that, USS ship is stationed in Black Sea or somewhere around, it's responsible. So, let's see what happens. Right now, you should only focus on scalps because New Year is coming. And I'm gonna, after 15 minutes, move on to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a really nice area. I can also talk about it right now. Somebody who's trading MicroStrategy in America or is Bitcoin, he needs to understand what's happening. This area is a really strong resistance now, which was previously a support zone, is a nice, strong resistance zone. And it's holding. And this is 4 hourly, by the way. And we are in a decline. Now, one thing a lot of traders they are not focused on is when they switch from 4 hourly to monthly time frame, they will see something happening. I gave my last analysis video is out there. Actually, you can go and check it out. And I specifically mentioned that FOMO buyers who are holding Bitcoin in their crypto wallets or whatsoever, the entire area, this area which was previous all-time high, okay, 73 up till here, is a liquidity grab zone. Now this month candle is closing bearish, okay. So the market makers they can make it as a sentiment that this is the top, and if this comes up as a top, then you're gonna be in a lot of trouble. Now connecting this with MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is basically what do you say, on 24th December when the stock market opened up, it was a Santa rally. So it opened up with a gap. Now this was the previous gap. Previous gap almost got filled in. You might see in the open it push up, completely filling the gap is gonna go fill this gap downwards. And if you switch from 5 minute to day one, you will possibly see that this is the bull trap. All the bulls are trapped over here. Even right now is grabbing the FOMO buyers. So if you are intraday scalping, swing trading, then this zone is best for you. be smart about your decisions, financial decisions. And if you are somebody who's holding the, who's holding the price at since like $100, you should possibly make up your mind that you're not gonna touch this thing for a year. MicroStrategy is a Ponzi scheme. It's gonna drop down. I think it's gonna drop down below 100, below 80, and this will happen as Bitcoin starts dropping. But there are possible several outcomes. It can drop, it can do a recovery, or it can, go up and it can completely drop down. So there are several ways how this scenario, turns out. Coming back to gold, we have a closure. Now we can open a buy. This is a really tight range, so it's a nice area. Okay, so this is a really nice area. I entered actually over here, and this is a nice small scalp. My stop loss, although, is sitting at 15 because I don't wanna, keep it so tight that it goes down and go, hit and it goes up. So I'm keeping it really tight. So in short, this is a nice 100 pip scalp, and I put several layers: 20, 30, 40, 50, 70. As soon as the stock market opens up, we're gonna head for Bitcoin scalping then. Like the stream and please hit the notification bell. Subscribe the channel to stay updated. While gold does its thing, let's go back to Bitcoin. Okay, so now there is a bit of concern for people trading MicroStrategy. Bitcoin, the last 24 hours, it was above like 98, 99. And just right before, during the London session, it started to decline. Now, this can have an impact on MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy, if it opens up with a gap up, it will mostly, fill the gap which was created on the debate when it joined on 23rd December. Then it's gonna head back. There's a gap downwards. Gonna try to fill it. If it doesn't, it fill today. It might fill the next day, next trading day. But you have to place your trades really carefully around there if you're intraday trading. Even for gold, I would say that scalp. If you have no trades running on gold, I would advise you just scalp and get the hell out of the market. If you had trades running below from like somewhere around 2600, keep it running. I gave the signal on premium. I've been giving it since the gold was priced in at 2588, and those trades are still running. Guys, open layers of trade, were scalping, doing swing trading, so their trades are positive. They are not worried. When you have some trades running and you took profits on it and you put it on break even, you're done for the week, you're done for the next week, you're done for the month. You don't need to worry then. Now December is ending, January is starting. We have to plan our way ahead into the January. In January things are gonna get crazy because in the first 15 days Trump is gonna be signing a lot of documents that are gonna affect the global economies, especially the relationship with China, Russia, Europe, Japan, and everywhere else. The first, then the target of Biden, sorry, Trump is he's gonna sign the tariffs, the sanctions, tariffs whatsoever on China, Mexico, Canada, and a bunch of other countries. That is gonna affect the economy, and in return is gonna affect the U.S. Treasury. In return, is gonna affect the dollar. In return, is gonna affect the gold. Now, when things are gonna start getting out of hand next month, next year, people are gonna run for safe haven. But safe haven like gold and dollar, they're both highly in demand right now because if you remember correctly, during the first tenure of Trump, US dollar was the most powerful currency, and all the third world countries, their currencies were, you know, they had, lots of problems. Economies like in the Asian countries like Iran, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. If you forward the crisis in Sri Lanka, their country was, done. Economy collapsed. And even in Bangladesh, a couple of months ago, the same situation happened. So now things are gonna get quite worse. If dollar rallies, is gonna have, is gonna hammer Chinese yuan, Japanese currencies, all the other countries. Only dollar is gonna rally. Even the European currency right now is looking really weak. Europe is in a weak state. Europe is not thriving. Look at the condition over there. There's a war going on. And even the ECB, they are saying, okay, rate cut is not bad for the economy, it's good for the economy too. So there are lots of sides. If you open war on lots of fronts, then of course safe havens like metals and dollar are gonna be high in demand. Now we are just waiting for the New York Stock Exchange to open. Since this is this will go up, it will take some time. So let's focus our attention towards Bitcoin. Now I was last night in the premium group, okay? In the and on Discord we have a premium channel. I was talking with the guys over there. We are mostly there when I'm like not streaming, not working. And this is what it was. I was waiting, and then soon this what do you say pump happened, and then a dump happened, and I took this shot and I scalped it, and then when it started going up, I just waited and I entered again over here. In short, I opened my position at 9900. If you wanna look at where over here, it's exactly pointed over here. I opened a shot at 99. Now you call me crazy or whatsoever. Now people think that okay, this dude, you know, what the hell is he doing? To be honest, I know everything you know. The thing is, I am applying it in a different way than you are. You are going for the scalps. I am going for the swing. Now, here it how it works. Okay, when you try to find a scalp trade, you most probably always suffer loss. But when you will find a swing trade, you will find a direction, and then within that swing, you can scalp. So instead of looking for scalps, try to find a swing setup. Once you will find it in that swing setup, you should scalp. Now, people they do the entire opposite. They try to find a scalp and then they try to hold that position. Listen, it's naturally. When you will open a trade, you will like to hold it. So instead of opening a scalp, look for a swing trade. Now, over here, it wasn't hard for me. What did I do? There was a hidden bearish divergence, and I have my own trading setup which I'm teaching in premium batch that I also utilize is best for scalping and swing trading. I applied it over here, and with both of that combination, I made profits. Yeah, I closed my trades, and I said to myself, okay, I was thinking of taking the profit at 92, but this is 95 decent profit. I'm not trying to be greedy. If it drops down till here, it's okay. I'll wait. If it drops down further, good. I'll try to re-enter. But if it goes up, I'm gonna enter a buy. Same thing I said with micro strategy. That is dropping down, but if there is a recorrection, it's all right. I'm gonna buy Bitcoin on a recorrection. So it's not something that you should ignore. It's all right. Now, if this actually goes up, if let's just say after 20 minutes, the stock market opens up with a gap up, there's a center rally too. I will go in a long on a Bitcoin. Then I will make profits. Now you have to see. If you spotted a bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence, you need to also look for a bullish divergence. People think, okay, if something happens for a reason, then it's gonna continue on to that pattern. You have to understand how the matrix works. Last week, I was saying that gold will go up. Nobody was believing me. Even people were messaging me with hate that gold is gonna drop. I said, listen, something's gonna happen in the matrix that the gold price will go up. And suddenly, Israel started attacking Yemen, and Houthis started attacking, launched a whole barrage of missiles and all that. Then US has to step in. They were doing all sorts of, and the things escalated. So what do you think is gonna happen? You actually think right now is the best time to sell gold? You can short sell it, but possibly holding a sell for more than one day scared the shit out of me. Yesterday I was on a sell on a Bitcoin. You think I was comfortable? No, I had to hold on to that sell for 24 hours. Okay, it was tough. It's hard to sleep, hard to concentrate, but I have this thing in my mindset. Any sell position which I open, I will not open more than 24 hours. That's how it is. I have a rule book. I follow it. Disregard of what's happening, disregard of what anybody says. You have to follow this. If you don't follow this, it's gonna, backfire you. You can see everything that's happening. Listen, I'm giving you so much advice. None of the people go look at what other streamers are doing in India and Pakistan. They're wasting your time. You go over there, they're selling demand and supply, support and resistance. All those dudes, they're wasting your time. I'm educating, I'm giving free education. I'm saying there's also path for paid content. If you want to save your time, join it. Otherwise, watch my stream. Get educated. People don't even want to learn. The whole the thing that pisses me off is people come, they just want signals. It's not gonna work like that. How long you gonna think that you're gonna stay possible just by following signals? Even traders have their good days and bad days. I try to keep my win rate above 90%. The only way for me to do that is to pick up trades, winning trades. And Alhamdulillah, I've been making profits. Why? Because I'm not trying to overtrade. If I overtrade, I will mess up. I know I will mess up. The best way to, avoid that is to hold on to some really nice trades and let the market do its thing. You put that stop loss over there. Once you placed it, don't try to fight the market. Now, let me share you the result of some of the premium signals. I'm not only gonna show you USD JPY because there's so much stuff going on. This was the previous signal. Okay. Before that, this was on live stream. We made profits both by selling and buying. Then over here, we opened up a, what do you say, sell. Okay, we took the TP one. Now we are on a buy. This is a premium signal, by the way. This is a premium signal. It's going up. Same. This is Euro JPY. On Euro JPY, I opened a buy. Before that, we even scalped. Once you hit TP1, all your trades are on break even. So it doesn't matter. Over here, we hit all the TP1, 2, 3. Then we opened a short, hit 2 TPs. Now we are in a buy over here too. So trading can be really rewarding. All you need to do is be motivated, be in a group that helps you. If you want to be a solo trader, good luck. I spent a lot of time during COVID, a couple of months alone, so I know how it is. It's not gonna work. You're gonna, the devil is gonna come and he's gonna fucking make you depressed. So rather than waste your time in a bunch of, so called mentality, there is the only wolf that works alone is an alpha wolf. You are not an alpha right now. Try to say to that yourself. Okay, if you have more than a decade of market experience, then hell, you even sit on the street with a fucking mobile phone or in a bus or in a train, or even while traveling, you can do whatever the hell you want. But anything less than a decade, I'm not demotivating you. I'm speaking facts. You can be lucky, but don't try to be, this is not a movie. Like trading is financial risk. It involves taking mature financial decisions based on doing your own research and market analysis, whether that analysis is fundamental, sentimental, or whatsoever. Well, right now, all I can say is Bitcoin looks like is heading back up. If it is heading back up, I will definitely want to have a piece of it. But anything can happen. I don't want to get caught up if it goes up and comes back down. So I'm going to wait for the stock market to open. This is why I close my Bitcoin scalp trade around here. I'm waiting for the stock market to open. In the meantime, gold is going up. Our TP1 is hit. TP1 is hit. And yeah, waiting for TP2 now. We are scalping. Easy shit. My main focus is Bitcoin right now. But I'm just streaming gold for the sake of streaming it. Because people message me all the time. It's not so hard. I really don't wanna miss any. Let's move to Bitcoin. I think this shit is going up. What do you guys think I should do? I know what I need to do, but I need your suggestions. I want to see how much you guys know. Please hit the like button. 3 people are watching, only one like. Come on, guys. Oh, we have a like. Thank you. Okay, so get ready, guys. This is Bitcoin on a 1 minute time frame. I'm looking for an entry because stock market is about to open in 15 minutes. If you are following my trade, please, I'm warning you. I don't know what your lot size is. I don't know what your equity is, what you are doing. So if you're copying my trade, please manage your own risk to reward. I know what I'm doing. So do what you think is best for you. I'm not giving any signal. This is purely educational. Let me turn on the market sessions and let's turn on this. We're gonna wait for a nice pullback, then enter a buy. And I am gonna wait for a. And by the way, guys, New Year is about to start, and I have a good news for you. I have 10 coupons for people who wanna join the premium group. What that coupon contains is a mystery. You can either get a discount, you can either get access to more than a month, 1 month, and a bunch of other perks at the price of only monthly premium subscription. What you're getting in that premium subscription is on the right side. I print the message and it's a hey, what's up, Ahmed? How are you? Will it break above your gold? Listen, it's strictly speaking what has happened in the in the past 42 or 48 hours. We have escalation between Israel and Yemen, involvement of US in Yemen, and the situation in Syria. So yeah, I think it's not only gonna go above 2630, it will go above 2700. Yeah, sorry about that. Had to pick up an urgent call. Yeah, I was saying that the things are escalating, okay? And I'm not just thinking I'm not short sighted, I'm long sighted. I'm looking at Donald Trump coming in the office next month, probably signing the contracts, oh, sorry, so documents of the tariffs that he talked about. creating a situation that is gonna push the gold prices above, because China has to counter somehow, right? And the only way for them to do that is to buy more gold, unfortunately, because their currency is declining, and they are, announcing stimulus packages over there that in return, according to the, what do you call, the standards, you have to buy more gold to keep in your central bank, so you can, issue more currency. If you don't have a set, what do you say, what do you say, call it, I'm trying to make it in simple words. If you don't have enough gold and you keep on issuing, printing money, is gonna damage your economy, and they know that, and they're trying to avoid that. This is why they were selling US bonds. That was in return, that was, throwing the stock market down. So everything has a positive and a negative correlation. And, there is no easy way to explain this. But as for now, I can say it is going up. So the best thing you can do is scalp your way up. Don't hold it. Because while it's going up, it's gonna make some wild moves. Let, for example, take a look at this. When it went down, it was just like yesterday, right? Let me turn this off. It is turned. What? No. Okay. Look at this. It just seemed like yesterday, right? When it was here, everybody was selling and I was buying. People called me stupid. People send me hate messages. So why you're not selling? I tried to sell the FOMC press conference. I got stopped out twice. Even I'm a human being. Come on. Every trader hates stop loss. But I stick with my plan. And I bought. I recovered that loss. Sorry, those pips which I lost. Then I made profits. It dropped down. I said, no, I'm not going to sell, because I know sell is temporary, buy is permanent. It went up and I made lots of profit. I give the signals. Guys also made profit in the group. Yeah, I was busy. Some days I could not stream, but I have to concentrate. I have a professional, you know, I have some standards, man. Come on. So even this was the last time I streamed over here. I was, making profits. Now I'm just looking at, this was cheap. Gold is cheap. I say all the time, if you have a wife, if you have a girlfriend, just go tell her gold is cheap. The first thing you're gonna say is, go buy me some gold. So this is what exactly happened. You need to understand. I have seen women are more women are better in gold trading than men are. This is how it is, man. If all women in the world possibly knew that gold exists, hell, they will making a lot of money. Anyways, gold is going up. It will break above. As soon as it will break above this range, the next range is most probably 2650, and the next is 26. Go watch my analysis of last week. And by the way, I will post an analysis on Friday, so don't worry, I got you covered. Just like the video, like the stream, and subscribe the channel, and hit the notification bell. So whenever I post my weekly analysis, you guys can And nowadays I'm posting short videos, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So I'm uploading them on daily basis. Recently I started a series with Bitcoin and MicroStrategy. I'm slowly gonna post this stuff regarding gold updates daily, so you guys but for that I need you guys to watch it and like it, give me feedback. Nobody in the comment section write me anything, leave some comments, ask me questions. I'm really relaxed. I don't do heavy trading when the year is ending. I already said right now the number one. And yeah, if we are talking about gold, I forgot to mention one thing. Elite wave. Okay. Just forget that there is a trend line. I said to myself, I won't be bothered. I don't care what the Fed does, whatever they may, what they tweet. I am just gonna be a degenerate trader. I'm gonna buy because I'm following Elite Wave. Elite Wave guided me the entire year. Okay, this year and the year that and the year before that. And whenever I have got my mindset of this thing, something bad has happened with me. I either lost some pips or miss opportunities. Right now, last week when FOMC happened, the press conference happened, everybody was selling. But I saw this and I said, no, this thing is saying that the impulse wave is about to start. I'm gonna stick with this. I ignored everything. I ignored all the noise that was coming from the market, from the Fed. I follow them. I'm not saying I will ignore them currently in terms of gold, because other than that, dollar, stock market, of course, it will have an effect on that. But specifically talking about gold, I'm gonna keep my mind over here. I'm gonna keep it in the game. Nothing more, nothing less. And a lot of people don't even wanna know if it people. I think people are in a cell, and soon they will realize if it breaks about 2630, they will realize they made a mistake. I'm following this. You know, the hardest thing to do is to accept that you are wrong and to make that wrong right. The hardest thing is to do that. If you have your own trading plan, if you're scalping, swing trading, I don't know, but follow whatever you are doing. I am following what I am doing, and this I'm just educating and just sharing my journey with you guys. And I'm gonna reach my destination soon. Soon I'm gonna see gold 20 at 2650, and as soon as we will hit 2650, then reaching 2687 won't be that much of a problem. Then it will quickly climb. That's how much the buying pressure will come, because I think because there's this thing gonna happen. Gold will try to close highest. I mean, if was the highest price that was the gold closed at, it will try to make a record, and if it breaks all time high, makes new all time high, then a lot of sellers gonna be in trouble. I personally think is gold is now, this is a Santa rally. We will see a Santa rally not just on the stock market but also on gold. Everything, gold will go up, dollar index will go up. Sorry, gold, stock market, and Bitcoin, everything will go up. Afterwards, we're gonna see a drop, or before it goes up, it drops down. Bitcoin will definitely drop down and make a recovery, but gold, I just have a feeling that it will just move up. I cannot, because elite wave was not wrong. It was never wrong. I was actually wrong. I can be wrong while guessing the wave, but it's never wrong. Why? Because elite wave is not predicting. It's just basically it just so yeah. I'm just gonna follow it, and it looks like that is gonna head up immediately. I don't know how many days gonna take. Let me plot it. Let me try to, for instance, how many days did it took to drop down? Almost 6 days. Damn, in just 6 days, gold dropped down from 2725 to this zone. Okay, So how long do you think that's gonna take for gold to go above? Let's also see that. We are over here. Okay. It's almost been 8 days, right? I think it's gonna take how many days gonna take? 11 days. It's gonna take around one more week. And let's see. Today is 26th, right? Tomorrow is 27th. And next week is gonna be the last 2 days of 2024. And I think the gold will push up if there is a geopolitical situation that put pressure on gold, then yeah, definitely it's going up. The way the stock market just opened up and MicroStrategy opened up with a gap down. So this is a trouble. Now it's gonna fill this gap up, and Bitcoin is gonna continue declining. This is this was what I was talking about. That it will definitely, if it opens up with a gap down, then it's gonna be a problem. This is a bull trap. It's gonna, if it drops down below this area, if MicroStrategy drops down below 20, what do you say, 3330, sorry, what the hell, 330, it's gonna be a disaster. The short selling this is just the start of a short sell. And MicroStrategy is, it's just look at MicroStrategy. Why is dropping? Because Bitcoin is dropping. But of course, Bitcoin is the causing the drop or the pump of MicroStrategy, but there's a slight bit of timing where when the stock market opens up and we see a decline, because this decline was a must, because Bitcoin was dropping down since yesterday, right? Since this morning. So now, if anybody has been holding a short from 9900, then his patient would have paid him off. I took my profits over here because I didn't want it to be greedy. There were times when I didn't want it to be greedy and market just made huge moves. For instance, over here, I was a short from here, and I closed my trade around here, and after an hour in Tokyo session, this thing just dropped down $10,000 in just 5 seconds. And I was like, if I hold it on to that date, I would have made 2x more. But I didn't want it to be more greedy. So the greed tries to get to you, but that's how it is. You try to stay humble. Take your profit and walk away with the market is the best thing you can do with yourself. Now look at this. It's going, if it continues to drop, it's because Bitcoin is dropping. Heading back to Bitcoin, see this? Dropping now. It looked quite attractive. If I was thinking about opening a buy over here, thank God I didn't, because we always wait for the stock market to open up. But right now it can do a retracement back up. If it holds on to this level, and if it breaks this level again, then we might see a revisit of previous zone, which was around 98,000, at least 1998,000. Speaking of gold, gold is just doing what gold does, just scalping. If you're scalping gold, good. Both our TPs have been hit, and our swing trades, long trades, they have been hit already. So in short, we are already in profits. Everybody's in profits. So guys, please Don't waste your time, join the premium group. It will help you. If you don't trust me, you can at least check it out. I'm making a new group. What do you say? It's a free group, but it will require you to join a certain broker. Details I will share shortly. It's more of like I'm also introducing copy trading too. Here comes DP3. Everything is sideways range on that specific pair, but strictly speaking, we made some really nice profits today too. Gold will slowly move back up. It will, it's like a slow poison. So please don't hold on to sell positions for longer. I think today I have to close my stream early on because let only two people are watching. Yeah, it's because it's Christmas time, right? I know people are spending time with family. I cannot just sit back. I have to trade, right? Even for guys like us, we get to spend more time with the family, but we cannot stay back. We have to work. That's how it is. Come on, guys. Also, we have 5 days left. If you wanna join the fifth batch, Pro Wolf Trader fifth batch, just 5 days left. Don't miss the opportunity. So gold is pushing up actually. Even Bitcoin is trying to push up. But As of now, do nothing for less like next 2 3 hours. If you don't have a buy running on gold, I would advise you not to open a buy in the middle of this price. Right now, we are in a really nice, beautiful scalp, really beautiful entry, and TP212 has already been hit. So yeah, let's just keep waiting till it hits the TP3 and 4. Okay, so the Bitcoin look quite interesting. A pump on Bitcoin. Yeah, if it breaks this zone, I might enter. I'm waiting because MicroStrategy is if it fills the gap up, it goes up. I think till then the price might Bitcoin price might go above 90. If Bitcoin drops again from 98, it might figure. But wait on a second. I think this is just a minor retracement, nothing else. I think it's still headed downwards. Well, it looks like Bitcoin will drop down further. This is just an area to re-enter a sell. This is what it looks like. So rather go on a buy, I think I would open a sell right now. I'm opening a sell over here again because this list looks like a retracement area, small, and it will continue on as towards its decline. And I hope it will because I already took profits. So if it drops down further, this is a nice area for me to enter. My stop loss sitting somewhere around 96 400. So let's just wait and see what happens. I think a further drop is imminent because there is a because this is a hidden bearish divergence, and it's a strong one. It's not gonna finish like that. It will surely, uh, I don't know what happens once it reaches this zone 92,000, but all hell is gonna break loose. Okay, gold at the same time is nice. Who does this, man? I'm live streaming. Damn, making profits. Let's go. Mm. It's just going up, right? That's how it is. So who am I and you to stop it? We're just gonna follow the price, right? That's all we can do. Just keep on following the price. Bitcoin is we still have time to buy. Right now, I think it will just move down. Gold is doing what gold does. Our take profit 3 has also been hit. By the way, this is a premium signal which I shared for the stream, although I said several times I'm not gonna share any more signals, but I'm just showing this off to people out there who just talk shit. Even if I lose money, I'll be fucking transparent. But I do whatever I do in front. Unreal, baby. Euro JPY is moving really up. Damn. TP1 is already hit on Euro JPY. TP2 is about to hit. Damn. Even USD JPY. TP1 is hit on USD JPY. This was TP1. This is premium signal, by the way, if you're wondering. So join the premium signal group and avail profits. Zero stress, 100% profit, baby. Make thousand, $1,500, $2,000 per week and go enjoy your time with your friends, family, loved ones. Save the money, buy your dream car, save money for your home, or do whatever the hell you want. But don't waste your time. because you only got one life. Join the premium. It's really cheap, trust me when I say it, because we only make pips over there. Natural gas, crude oil, Forex, US indices, and all a bunch. Oh, everything out there. Yes, everything. Even crypto. Signal is included. You get 2 to 5 signals daily. Besides that, you have access to the premium voice channel, resources on Discord. You can sit talk with other guys if you want. You have direct one-on-one. You can talk with me. If you have a concern, message me. When I'm free, I'll reply to you. 24 hours up. Although sometimes I do, I'm on the weekends I'm busy. If I am late to reply because I'm busy. That's why. As of now, everything is good. And if join, at least join the Telegram group and stay updated. I just waiting for the gold to break above. Gold will break above like 2630. Like it's like nothing. And as soon as it break above it, I'm just gonna switch. You know what? Let me just switch it to Elite Wave. Let's just wait now. If you are somebody who had a sell overrunning, I don't know why you opened that. Higher high, higher low, 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 higher high. Oh my god, so many higher highs. Why would you sell and hold on to the sell? If you are scalping, understandable. But if you are swing trading till here, it doesn't make sense. Look at this. Let me change the color. Okay, now this, then this, then this. Okay, broken, came down, then this. Nope. Now this. Guess what's gonna happen if it doesn't break down? Oh, 2650. Oh, 2640. Oh, 2670. And it's gonna look like this slowly. And you won't even know it. Sorry. That's what gold does. And why is going up? This is what I say. If you can find the answers to those whys, then you're gonna be sitting on the profitable side. Holy shit, not this dude again. Comex gold delivery intentions breakdown. Okay, importers take Tanzania, Thailand route to bring gold disguised as platinum alloy. Damn. Gold pickups, quiet gains as post-Christmas buying lifts prices. Okay, yeah, people buy. People buy gold on Christmas. They give demand goes up. If demand goes up, of course, you know what happens. Gold is already cheap, and given that how high the prices were, you actually think that people won't be buying gold? It's Christmas for fuck's sake. And it's wedding season in India and Pakistan and Sri Lanka and Bangladesh and Gulf countries and all those other places. So what the hell you think gonna happen? Gold's gonna go down? Paul just coming out was just like, okay, buy as much as gold as you want. I hope you guys bought physical gold, I mean. If you're somebody who's earning in dollars, then this doesn't affect you. But if you're somebody who have a fixed income and he's living tight month to month, then definitely he would save up some money to buy some gold and keep it somewhere safe. Keep them safe. Oh my god, that drop on dollar index, baby. TP123 has been hit on gold. TP4 is 2630. So yeah, wasn't that hard, right? Easy peasy. Hit the like button. Come on, guys. Who gives such a nice quality content? I know Wolfpack is really low. We are small. But quality matters rather than quantity. I want quality rather than quantity. Hit the like button, guys. Come on. There are 3 people watching. I need 3 likes. Why 2 likes only? Who's watching and not liking the stream? Gold is going. I think gold is about to break to this 2630 range. As soon as it does, it's hallelujah, baby, hallelujah, hallelujah. I think it will. Just keep an eye on the news. If suddenly there's a news, then damn, sun is going down. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that pump on gold. The damn. TP3. 4. Mm. Oh, it hit. TP hit. Hit. All TPs are hit. What else do you want? Live stream. Come on, guys. It's no fun. Nobody's talking. Nobody's chatting. I'll just close the stream and I'll go. I think this is no fun, man. Come on. What's my strategy? Damn, so many messages on Telegram. I'll reply to them after the stream. Probably like 2-3 days of messages. Oh, here comes the breakout. Here comes the breakout. Here it comes. Okay. Okay. Here it comes. Damn. Hallelujah. I think it's a breakout. I have a feeling it's a breakout. Yeah, because the pump is buying pressure is there. Probably because of Christmas and the ongoing geopolitical situation. Even if it falls back within the zone, it's not bad. We can buy over here. If you wanna sell, you can sell. I'm not gonna sell. Like I said, I'm gonna stick with my buy. I'm not gonna buy sell at the same time. If it drops down, good, I'll buy from the bottom. Given that it's in that specific criteria of a buy entry. I have a setup, my own trading setup on MT5, which is part of the Pro Wolf Trader Beginner batch. Yeah. If you are in that, you most probably have it. All the 4 batches, they have it. I have a class too, so I'll keep the stream low. Since there's so less viewers, I'm gonna end the stream in 10 minutes because better I go give my time, end the class because there is no need of streaming if so people are not interested. I mean, I'm giving quality education material over here, but the fact there's so many less views is only gonna waste my time. So yeah, I like to save as much time as possible. As soon as I say I'm going, five people magically appear out of nowhere. Come on, guys, hit the like button. I'm seriously gonna leave if I don't see you guys, interacting. I don't care if 100 people are right now too. When I thought of doing something, I'll do it. Anyways, guys, if you're here from the trading view, welcome to my stream. Like and subscribe the channel. We already made the profit off. If you guys were here early off, you would have made profit, 100% profit. It was easy. But anyways, don't worry, just subscribe the channel. The next time I'll come here, which will be tomorrow or Monday or whatsoever, you will make profits. As of now, we are trading Bitcoin and we are trading gold live. I'm teaching you guys how to trade, how to use a specific market sessions to enter a buy or a short, how to do scalping, how to do swing trading. Yeah, they're both free material and paid material. If you are a quick learner, if you have time, you can watch all the streams. You'll learn a lot. If you wanna save some time, you can join the Pro Wolf Trader fifth batch. 4 batches. We have 4 batches. Can you imagine this shit? Been teaching for 4 months. More than 100 students. And even have a what do you say a Discord. So, anyways, go join the first of all go join the free Telegram group so you guys are in touch. Secondly, join the Discord. And copy trading is coming too on specific brokers and also on crypto broker. And free Telegram group and free WhatsApp group is coming. I'm gonna keep you guys update with that. Holy shit, it's a breakout. It's a breakout. Dang. Okay, guys, it looks like our TP not just hit it, hit fucking hard and it's still going up. And there are really less viewers. I don't know. This is most probably because it's Christmas time. A real few number of people are trading. So I'm also gonna go because I have some priorities. I have some work. I have some commitments. So if you wanna follow me, you can follow my Telegram channel. It's absolutely free. The link is given down in the bio. If you want to join the fifth batch that is starting from 1st January, 31st December is the last date. Currently, there are 12 spots available. So join it before it's too late. I'm not gonna accept anybody if he's even 1 day late for the deposit or he's for the registration. I give 1 whole month. And premium group 3 is open right now. And you guys can message me up. There are 10 coupons available right now. You can avail it. It can be anything inside it, either a discount or a extended period of duration for more than 1 month. Anything. It can be random. So avail it before it's too late. Anybody who's watching this stream via EA recording, you heard it. We made profits live stream, not just on gold, but also on Bitcoin. Before I leave, I will do a small analysis for people trading MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy just opened up with a gap down. There's a gap up, but first we'll fill this gap and eventually will fall down. In short, we are in a bull trap. Bitcoin is also looking like it's gonna make a extended lower, is gonna touch 92,000 range. Why? Because on a 4 hourly, still there is a strong bearish hidden divergence, which will complete around 92,000, from where you will most probably try to find a normal or a hidden bullish divergence. Gives followed by whatsoever setup that you are. If you don't have a trading setup, you can join my fifth batch. I'm teaching everything from how to trade different market sessions, how to trade news, how to read data. I will give 5 setups for trading, 2 for scalping and swing trading, 3 for the indices, oil and whatsoever. Besides that is 1 month of whole trading session that involves live trading plus practice plus whatever that is out there, whatever I know that can help you become a profitable trader. So why are you waiting? Join it. It's really less. I only take 20 seats per month, and majority of the time, half of them are full, half of them are left. But since the batches are increasing, there are quite a lot of people who are interested. But as for now, I'm not interested in increasing the seats. Our premium signals before I leave, the USD JPY, Euro JPY premium signal, TP1 and TP2 has been hit. The premium signal of USD JPY is also hit. The gold has also been hit in front of you guys. And anything, if you are somebody who's trading natural gas, most probably you're missing out a lot. You guys are missing out a lot. So before I leave, if you know what you're doing, good luck. Have a nice winter, Christmas, vacation, whatever. I see you guys soon on my next trading session. I'm tired. I need to go take rest. And since it's Christmas and New Year time around, I advise you to do the same. Don't overtrade. And those of you who are asking me, will gold go above 2630? All I have to say before I leave is look at Elite Wave and just don't listen to anything. Nothing. Just take a screenshot of this, okay, and just follow this. Just follow this. It's gonna go up. Either you like it or not. It's heading up. It is going up, right? So it doesn't matter. Follow the price. Don't fight the trend. Trend is your friend. This is Pro Wolf Trader signing off. Take care of yourself. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy winter. And Happy New Year in advance. I see you guys soon. This is Pro Wolf Trader signing off.